Hey Hero fans, this is Todd. So I made this club for somebody on Shapeways, one of my friends on Facebook, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it on that little orange printer just to see how it works. So I first laid the club down. So I think was it here? No, it's here. And then 90. Burp. Nope. It was here. 90. Oh, too far. 90. There we go. Once I laid the club down, I knew that my printer's off by 20%. So I went ahead and added my 20%. To the Z. Let's take a look here. Nope. It was to the Y. Bam. So now if I rotate this, you can see it's just a little bit wider looking than it is tall, and that's just the way this printer works because, I don't know, it just does. Then I hit print, and I will show you the stop motion footage, not stop motion, time-lapse footage. It took 4.5 hours to print, but you'll get to see it just in minutes. All right, it's done. So let's go and pull it out and see what it looks like. Let's get this off there. And then we'll take and bust it out of here in a few minutes in the other room so you guys could find out how this thing actually worked. So, cool. All right, so now in the other room to pull us apart, let's take a really close look at this, and you can kind of see all the details of the support. And it's funny is every time the head would move, it'd leave these little spider webs everywhere. So it's kind of actually kind of fun looking the way it looks. It reminds me almost of Superman's fortress. And then of course all these spider webs like it's been sitting around for a while. But anyway, let's go ahead and pop this out of here. And let's see if we can get it out without breaking any of the points. some resin and some paint, and that might be kind of a fun little thing. I'm surprised it came out as good as it did, to tell you the truth. Now there's still a lot of rough edges on it, but since the club's supposed to be kind of rough to begin with, I think that will actually work in favor of this. That was kind of a fun experiment. All right, you guys. You know what? I might just leave it like this. It looks like some kind of cool ice club. I might give it to, oh, what is that guy's name? Icer. What do you think? Post your comments. Let me know if Icer deserves to have that cool club. Since it kind of looks like ice, I could take and put like some blue wash on it. That'd be kind of a fun... You know what? That's what I am going to do. I'm going to clean this thing up, use a little bit of acetone on it, and then put a light blue wash on it. That'll really be cool. All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm in the other room right now, and here is my club that I'm going to put the resin on and then paint over the top. Make sure I got all that stuff off there.
Alright, so I finished painting it up. I put my clear coat on it. Let's take a look. Well, first of all, before I show you that one, this is the one I made on Shapeways a long time ago. It's a shorter one, and I made this actually for my Beastman. I see it on 2000X Beastman style, and I I put some heat shrink tubing around the handle so it fits right. So if you guys get the one on Shapeways, expect to use the heat shrink tubing. And so that's how the painting's supposed to be. But since I'm not making any other figures, I don't need one, I decided to make it so it works with Icer. And here it is. How cool is that? Let's see how it fits in his hand. There's his club. And it does match him well. That is pretty cool. Anyway, post your comments. Let me know what you think. Way better than his ice pick that we usually have for him. Now he's got a big, massive ice club. Oh! I think it's a little more formative type of weapon. And I can't believe that little printer could actually print that. I am still surprised. I mean, yes, it's not perfect, but for what it is, it's pretty cool. I'm surprised. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next episode. And maybe I might be able to figure out how to do some other cool print things. And I'll show you guys. All right. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. Talk to you next video.